Located in the heart of Bareilly, welcome to Baghecha, a beautifully curated destination where nature, flavor, and celebration come together in perfect harmony. From cozy cafe to lush lawns, banquet elegance to peaceful park views, every corner of Baghecha is thoughtfully designed to create memories that stay with you long after your visit. To your right, discover a vibrant ice cream parlor, a cheerful space that brings smiles to every age. Moving ahead, you'll enter our grand 24-carat hall, an elegant venue designed for life's most cherished occasions. With the capacity to host 100 to 120 guests, this hall is ideal for weddings, receptions, corporate events, or any gathering that deserves a touch of sophistication. Every event held here is elevated by refined interiors, flexible layouts, and seamless service, creating an atmosphere of timeless celebration. For a dining experience rich in flavor and comfort, step into Herbs and Spices, Baghecha's signature family restaurant. With sitting for 60 to 70 guests, it's a perfect spot for family meals, anniversaries, or casual get togethers. From traditional Indian delicacies to modern favorites, every dish is crafted with care by experienced chefs who understand both taste and tradition. Next, discover the cozy and creative atmosphere of Roots Cafe, a place where conversations flow as freely as the coffee. With room for 60 to 70 guests, it's ideal for brunches, solo time, or relaxed catch-ups with friends. For guests who prefer quiet elegance, the Officers' Lounge offers a distinguished space reserved for specially dignitaries and officers. Designed to seat 8 to 10 members, this intimate lounge offers privacy, sophistication, and a refined setting for thoughtful conversation. Ideal for small formal meetings or peaceful personal time, the Officers' Lounge is sanctuary of calm within Baghecha. Step out into a beautifully maintained lawn area where nature becomes part of the experience. With open air seating and a vibrant green surroundings, this space is perfect for brunches, evening teas, or small private functions. Just behind the Herbs and Spices family restaurant lies one of the Baghecha's most peaceful and family friendly areas, the backside park lovingly named Bal Udyan. This thoughtfully designed green zone is perfect for families, fitness lovers, and children for all ages. Under the sun or the stars, the lawn offers a relaxed, natural setting for everyday pleasures and special celebrations. The kids' play area features a wide range of fun elements including swings, slides, seesaws, climbing structures, and soft, safe flooring that ensures carefree play. It's a joyful corner where little ones can laugh, play, and create memories. At Baghecha, every element has been thoughtfully designed to offer joy, comfort, and lasting impressions. Whether you come to celebrate, relax, or simply reconnect, Baghecha welcomes you with open hearts and open skies. We invite you to experience Bareilly's most vibrant destination only at Baghecha. Not just for Baghecha, the impactful outdoor presence you see across the city, from vibrant hoardings to eye-catching billboards, is powered by the creative excellence of the Satya Sai Group Advertising Agency. They manage branding and outdoor visibility for multiple leading businesses, ensuring every brand gets the spotlight it deserves.